So here's the mirrors on the edge of the school. You can see that the 4-inch square post goes behind the school up to the top, and then it's got the bracing pieces behind it to hold it in place. So starting at the bottom here, you can see that there's a block that's about 8 inches high off the bottom board, and then a piece of 4x2 mounted horizontally on top of that. There's a piece of 2x1 behind that to give the spacing the same width as the school rail, and then the plywood goes onto that, then the mirror in front of that, and then a piece of 2x1 the other way up along the bottom edge to hold the mirror in place. So mirror drops onto that, well, plywood is fixed onto that, and then the mirror on the front of that. And then if you look at the top edge, what I've got is 2 bits of 4x2 to space it out again, which you obviously wouldn't need if you can put the mirror closer to the post, depending on how your school rail is fitted. And then what it does then is, oops, light's fading. What it does then is the plywood's fixed to that top piece, and then the mirror goes on front of that, and at the top I've just got a piece of metal capping that holds the mirror in place, and then these beading pieces that run down the side then, and almost all of the length. The profile looks something like that. So if you imagine it was 50mm square, so it's 10mm from the back, and then a 15mm channel, and then I actually chamfered off the front edge so that it's got a bit of a groove, you can see there, so that it goes to the edge of the mirror, and then that slots on to hold the mirror in place down the long side all the way down. Oops. So I hope that makes some sense. And then the middle mirrors are there, and the bottom of those mirrors is 1220 off the school surface, and then obviously 4 foot, and then the mirrors themselves are 4 foot mounted horizontally off that. Hope that makes some sense. Bye.